you. Yeah. Layla.
Yeah, hang another ballerina up.
Oh, I'm gonna do a stick. Acadabra.
That's an icicle. Does it have a hook on it?
Come on, Layla. Come out. Come on.
Okay, you gotta hang it by the hook.
You do. Did you see Layla anywhere? When was the last time you saw her?
I think she was packing her bag.
Packing her bags for what?
She said she was pretend playing.
Pretend playing? Did she?
Does it have the hook on it?
You have to help
Okay,
me
keep the
find
hook
her.
on it.
Hello?
Babe, what's wrong?
Babe, yes,
Go.
I can't
Go,
seem
go,
to
go.
find Layla.
What do you mean? You don't see her?
No, I don't know where she's at. I
What?
don't know. I looked all over the house. Me and Juju looked everywhere, literally everywhere.
Put the hook on the branch.
Last time he seen her, she was packing her bags. I don't know. I hope I wasn't so harsh.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to find her.
Okay.
Don't worry about it, babe.
All
We're gonna
right.
find her.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go look for her outside.
Yes, go do that right
Yeah.
now.
Very good.
Yes, I'm coming right. Oh my gosh, poor Layla.
Is that your happy dance?
It's gonna be okay.
Hey, and them candy canes, pour the candy canes on top of the box so you can start hanging them too. Pour them out so you can hang them too. Yeah, pour them all out there. Now just start hanging them all over the tree. Get you a handful of them and just start hanging them because they have natural hooks. Girl, just hang them on the tree.
I wish I could go anywhere. Oh my gosh.
Don't put all the colors together because I don't want them out. You got to spread them out.
What is she gonna do?
Oh my God. See, you might have to eat that one if you broke it.
Babe, where are you? I've been
'Cause we ain't hanging no
everywhere.
broken candy
I haven't
canes.
seen her not one place, not at all, anywhere around the neighborhood. She's not here. Are you home?
If you don't start hanging them candy canes, I'm going to start hanging them.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
You guys don't have any ugly?
As I told you, we need to get this done so we can get out of the house. Are we going to the Arboretum
Yes,
to see the 12 days of Christmas?
please find her, please.
Please let us know when you
Better
find her,
wait
please.
for a second.
We're gonna go and search for her again right now.
Please let me.
Can you just hang them on the tree? You can separate the colors later.
I know because I like it like that. And since you don't, I'ma do it then. Like what?
Oh my goodness. See, you're going to make this all day trying to separate the colors out when all you got to do is just start hanging them on the tree.
I'm almost done. I only have. What are you making, mommy?
I made you guys some spaghetti and some turkey meatballs with
Done,
some
see that?
broccoli. It's so yummy. You're gonna love it.
Now, what does that mean?
Seriously, Layla, now you're saying you don't
You got to put them on the tree.
ask me for spaghetti.
Put 'em on the
and now
tree.
I decided to make it and you're talking about you
This
don't like
too.
spaghetti.
I don't want spaghetti. I just want chicken and macaroni.
I told you grab a handful of them so you ain't got to keep walking back and forth.
This is what I can do.
See, this is what I'm talking about why you was defeating the purpose of separating them out. Go on, hang them, hang them, hang them, hang them.
My precious time to make this.
I guess.
Don't put it on the same branch where you already got something. Yeah, spread them out. Hang them, girl, hang them. What are you doing?
Aw, thank you so much. I appreciate
Will you get rid of the ones you got in your hand?
it. A long time.
How you gonna hang them with both hands full? Now set some down.
Why?
You doing too much, Alani. You doing way too much.
Layla, why are you not eating your food?
I told you I want chicken and macaroni.
Layla, do you know how many kids
Lord
love
have
to
mercy.
spaghetti and meatballs that don't have anything to eat right now? And
Stop
you're
watching
ungrateful
TV
about spaghetti
and hang
meatballs,
'em.
telling me you want chicken.
Hang 'em
Layla,
high.
Stop being ungrateful and eat your food.
Go high and then come low. Go as high as you can reach.
My mom used to make me do it all the time. I literally just do it. I wonder if there's spoon in there. What am I thinking?
Lord have mercy. This is going to be an all-night process. I can see this already.
Because